everyone. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Today is Monday, July 18th. We begin another week following a strong Friday upswing, and I think we might continue because Goldman Sachs and Bank of America's earnings were just announced and they crushed analysts' expectations. But then again, we can't second guess the market. We have to watch what prices do. I typically like the gap trade, which is down here, when I see an action, or if prices move in a certain direction, a trend, because the trend is your friend, I'm going to take a trade in that direction. The market does have targets. The market knows where it wants to go. It looks like it wants to go down. Let's see if this is a head fake or a stop run with a reversal. It's reversing a bit, and I'm just going to keep my powder dry here for a minute. When I jump on a trade, I want to jump on with a market order. There was a stop run right here. There was a stop run. There are 10 points between each horizontal line on this chart. Trading is boring. Just have to wait. If you want to make money, just be patient. We are 1/2 hour into the trading session. The market has not made its move yet. I want to point out my trading range for the day between my resistance and support here. My support down here at 38.19, my resistance at 38.75. The range is 57 points. 57 points between the support and resistance. Now these are calculated numbers, and these calculated numbers are more accurate in terms of the range that the market puts in than the actual support and resistance. Support and resistance are very good targets that the market generally reaches for, and it looks like the market is trending. I'm very suspicious that those two bank earnings reports did not motivate prices higher, so I'm sort of thinking the market is basically treading water but wants to go down. I'm basically thinking that the market is going to go down, and I'm just going to wait. This might be the move. Let's see. Yep. Might be the move. I'm going to close this with a slight profit because that was not, I made a trade based on, I thought that we were going to go down fairly rapidly to my calculated resistance line here, or even better to Friday's close to close the gap, but that didn't happen. So that definitely was not the timing that I was looking for. I made a little money on that move, but it wasn't the move I was looking for. All right, but you can never lose money taking a profit, right? It looks like it wants to go down. If this is a stop run, it just doesn't have the characteristic look of a stop run. Okay, looks like the market did want to move in the down direction. We're at an oversold stochastic. I think it has a little more ways to go. The stochastic is telling me to get off, but you got to go by the price. It's not recovering. So it basically has stopped out here. Actually, I'm happy with this around $200 gain on that trade, so I'm happy with that. And that was one contract, by the way, guys. And despite the better bank earnings reports, the market did not react favorably. So it looks like it is going to head toward the gap and certainly toward my calculated trading range for the day. Okay, so that trade, let me recap. I determined that the market wanted to go down, and I was looking for a trade either into my trading zone or, better yet, down to Friday's close. Didn't happen. I got on around over here. I picked up 5 points in my second trade of the day, and then it sort of stalled here. And really, I don't like to go short when my stochastics are oversold. So my stochastics were oversold at that point. I saw the market was stalling, tending to hesitate and reverse. So I got off that trade, and so the results so far, and it's just an hour into the trading day. I don't think I'm going to trade anymore. I have things to do today. But the results of those two trades, Okay, $257.70. And I paid $4.80 commission. And that was one contract. The market is a little lazy today. And so I still expect it to move to the downside, although it is vacillating just over 38.91. And I just feel that it's going to head lower. But of course, my feelings mean absolutely nothing. So I hope you have a great trading day. I hope you've made money so far this morning. Be patient if you haven't traded yet. Watch for the market move. Wait for the market move. You have to just anticipate it. Be patient, stand by, trade safely, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. I just got back to my office. It's just about 4 o'clock before the market closes, and look what happened. Prices traded down well inside on through my trading zone, closed the gap, and bottomed out just at my calculated support line here at 38.20. So that was an estimate where the market was trading over here, and I had to leave my computer for the day, but it did in fact. My feelings were confirmed, and gee, it was a woulda, shoulda, coulda for me, but there's always another bus. I'm happy with my day. I made money. I hope you did as well.